Virtual reality has revolutionized the gaming industry by providing an immersive experience to gamers. With VR, players can interact with a virtual world in a way that was previously impossible. This technology has opened up new possibilities for game developers, allowing them to create games that are more engaging and realistic than ever before. The use of VR in gaming has also led to the development of new hardware and software technologies. Companies like Oculus and Hatchi have created VR headsets that allow players to fully immerse themselves in a game. Game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine have also added support for VR, making it easier for developers to create games that work seamlessly with this technology. Overall, virtual reality has had a significant impact on the gaming industry, providing gamers with an entirely new level of immersion and interactivity.